Hi everyone, my name is Juanita Rodriguez Bell. Through this video, I will present my oral text. Introduction. Today I'll be comparing two amazing European countries, Germany and Italy. Let's explore their differences and similarities in the weather, language, sport, and some curious facts. Weathers. Germany is colder than Italy, especially during the winter. Italy is sunnier than Germany, especially in the south of the country. Summers in Italy are hotter than in Germany. Germany has longer winters with more snow than Italy. Germany is better than Italy through the year. Italy is better those who know that here with Germany is ideal if you prefer colder climates. Language. Germany is more difficult to pronunciation than Italy. Italy sounds softer and more melodic than German. German has longer words than Italy. Italy is more similar to Spanish than Germany because both come from Latin. Italy is easier for Spanish to understand than German. Learning Italy can be faster than learning German because of is similar to Spanish. Sports. Soccer is more popular in Germany than in any other sport, but in Italy it's also very important. Italy has won more World Cups than Germany for women, but Germany has won more in the men's category. Italy is more famous for the Germany in sports surf and cycle and the motorcycle racing. Germany is stronger than Italy in the weighting sports, shoes and skiing. Women's soccer is more superior in Germany than in Italy. Korean fans. Germany has a lot of castings. There are more than 20,000 troops for the country. Some of them look like something of train stands. Italy is famous for its pasta. It's estimated that there are more than 20,015 different types of the pasta. Trains in Germany and Italy are very fast and punctual, and many people use them to head from one city and the other instantly.